Hey, I'm Raph, and this is another video about my progress with QoS, and hopefully one day I'm going to be able to say about the progress because it won't just be me working on it. But yeah, anyway, at the moment I'm back with progress that I've made on QoS. So first thing is just the first thing you'll notice, obviously, when you boot it this time is not boot it because you're just running it with Kemu. Is that how you pronounce it properly? Is that I got a new color scheme and the command is in a different color from the kernel. That doesn't really matter and you probably won't care, but I don't care anyway. You can notice now. Also, the command I found is in the wrong color and I'm probably going to change that. But it just looks like it's standing out a bit too much at the moment. And also, if you type help, it doesn't have my new command, which I'm going to be the main focus of this video. I've also added clear, so you can just clear the screen if you want to, but I like the introduction thing. Maybe I'll make option like clear-I for introduction. Maybe I'll keep, I don't know, but I could do that. Let's just add that now, because we can. So at the moment I don't really have a good way of detecting the difference between the thingo. Like, I don't have a way of detecting command operand, so I'm just going to have to do this. And then we'll go clear screen, and then what we're trying to do is copy the introduction text up here and put it down here. So just very simple command that I'll just add now. Well, it's not really a command, it's a command operand because we don't have official way of putting command operands yet. That's probably something we'll have to add soon. I'm saying we, but technically it's just me at the moment. However, some people are looking like they're interested in working on the code also, which is awesome. And I'd love to work with some people on the code for this because it's a really big thing to do by myself, and I probably can't manage to like make this all by myself. And I'll probably stuff things up and have bad code, and then no one will like yours. Anyway, don't worry, that doesn't matter. Oh yeah, okay. So let's see if that worked. Yeah, it works. So we can type like hello, hi, hey, ABC, and then we can just do this because this is a good way of spamming, and then we go clear-I. Yeah, we get that. So that is nice, and then we can just do normal clear, and we get that. Okay, nice. Also, I probably want to change this cursor x equals 0, cursor y equals 0, update cursor. Alright. Okay, so now we will try that again. Clear. I don't know, there's just this random white space and I don't like it. I think that it's because I'm scrolling down one line or something. But also with the new command I've added writer, there's also the same problem. I'll talk about that later. Anyway, so I first put this to text editor version 0.2, even though there's like nothing different except a new name and a new color scheme. And a really broken thing at the bottom that doesn't have enough room, and this just goes there. So I don't know what's going on about that, and I'll have to fix that. But yeah. Anyways, first thing I've added is, well, obviously the new color scheme and this welcome text. The idea of this was actually because I'd added a new variable in the screen.h, no, here. At the top, you'll see that I've got this new writer contents. So the aim of this, well, I don't know if that's the right way to say it, sorry. But anyway, the point of the variable is to store the contents of the current writer window. So like the window that you've got the writer thing in, like whatever you type into writer. I'm saying like too much. That is not good. So you can see here that when we open writer, oh no, we need to change that. Okay, so you can see that's also a really horrible help section at the moment. I've just put that there as a placeholder for something better. So if we go down to the code for writer, which is just here, you'll notice that what I'm doing is I am just displaying the things, and then in between it I'm printing the contents of what you've already typed. Maybe it would be a better idea to put this just here, when we are ready to let someone write the text document, that'll also put the cursor at the end of the file, so that we'll just go nano. Oops, sorry. Writer, and then yeah, it's already put the cursor there. Now if we go, for example, hi, we exit with control. That just changed a bunch of things. Did I just fix something? Because now this is there, or was that always there? Clear, yeah. Right there, and then no. So unfortunately that didn't work, but I'll still have to fix that. And yeah, so we can see now if we just write like hi, and the reason the cursor is there is because I just use the arrow keys. So what I've added now is you're able to use the arrow keys to navigate. So for example, if we type 1 here, we hit the down arrow key. It should technically just bring us to the next line, but for some reason it does that. So I'll have to fix that. What I'm doing then is just pressing the down arrow key, then pressing 1 recurringly, and it makes that shape. And then if we do the same with the up arrow key, it does this, which is obviously not what we want it to do. And so I'm trying to fix that. I'm not really sure at all why that's happening. I know that I can just fix it by going to the code in keyboard.h here and uncommenting this line that I put just in for like a placeholder in case I actually needed to do this horrible fix. But I just think this is not a good fix because I don't know what is causing the problem. But as you can see, when I uncomment that, then it does work, I'm pretty sure. Oops. There. So then we can go 1 1. Yeah, so that does fix it. And then if we like go space 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 space, space hi, and then we can go hi, oops, hi, hi, and it's going up exactly from where the cursor currently is, exactly 1 line. But I just don't like this fix because it's a yucky fix, and you can see we can do that. And then the next problem is with the right and left arrow keys, which are meant to just take you forward 1 line, but they actually do this and this for the right and left respectively. Well, no, that makes no sense. So if we just go up a bit, you can see if we like, for example, let's just clear writer. That didn't do anything, but anyway, when we go and write some things, we'll just go up 1 line. So we can write in some stuff. Let's just first actually delete all this, if we can. Yeah, this is really weird. Like when you try to delete something that doesn't exist, it basically just screws up a lot, and that's not good. So it's basically at the moment impossible to delete some text that doesn't exist unless you actually go to an area where the text does exist. Then you add some new text, you just put some random things in, you delete that, and now you're able to delete it normally. So we can just go up here and fill this with spaces. That didn't work, yeah. There we go. So we can do that now. And also, I'm trying to add keyboard shortcuts, so instead of doing Control to exit, we can do Control X to exit, and then Control S to save, and Control like P to print it. But obviously, we're not going to have printing for a long time. That's just a futuristic thing. At the moment, we can just think of as a space age technology. We're going to have to wait a long time to get in QoS, because QoS is obviously very new and very simple at the moment. Yeah. So if we just exit out of Nano, I'm pretty sure that's all I added today. And also, yeah, I showed you the do command already. And I've been doing some research on compilers and how I can get the code that you type in do, and then you go JS, and then it would have the JS kernel. It's like, for example, when you go do repeat, it has the repeat thing. It would say JS for JavaScript, and then we can type some JavaScript like well, I can't do brackets, so basically I can't type JavaScript, but just pretend that I can, and then I'd be able to enter some JavaScript and it would compile it like it does in the inspect element thing. And that's about all I have to say today, but there is one thing I am really curious about. This. When we go here, this, firstly, I'm really amazed by the support people have put in the answers and the comments of this, but I'm so confused about this answer. It has 1.4 thousand upvotes, and it's this long. It's a good answer and stuff. It's answering my question, and it's good, but I just don't get how this has so many upvotes. It just ceases to amaze me. Well, no, it doesn't cease to amaze me. It doesn't. That would mean it stops to. So it never ceases to amaze me. Is that? I don't know. Anyway, this is a confusing answer to me. Like, I get what it means, but I don't get how it has that. And that's probably about all. And yeah, thank you everybody for the amazing support that everyone has shown in this. Yeah, it's been really amazing to see how people have reacted to what I've been working on in such a short amount of time, and I really hope that we can make QoS a really great thing for, like, a really good operating system together. I don't think I should say together because you're probably not going to help me, but yeah. Bye.